How to make money with NFTs? Check this out. $400,000, $500,000, $600,000, even 1.1 million per CryptoPunk per one NFT. And in this video, I'll show you how to make money with NFTs in 2021. Hey, what's up you guys? This is Art from Art of Marketing blog, a place where we talk about making money online, working from home and cryptocurrency, and this video is about making money with NFTs and flipping NFTs. So I'll show you everything there is to know about NFTs, making money with it, how you can start today without actually creating any digital art, any NFTs. But before, let me give away $100 in Bitcoin. If you want to win $100 in Bitcoin, please like this video, subscribe to this channel, click on the bell and leave me a comment with your Bitcoin wallet address. I'll be randomly picking one person and sending them $100 in Bitcoin. This is a monthly giveaway, and also check out all the links in the description of this video. The first link will take you to a course that will show you exactly how to make money with NFTs step by step. So I'm going to give you a free training video right here, but if you want to go deeper into the subject, click on the first link in the description. And right now, let me share my screen. Let's jump into this video. So guys, if you're gonna go to Twitter and just look for CryptoPunks or NFTs, you're gonna see that right now people are selling NFTs for literally hundreds of thousands, if not millions of dollars. I showed you already the CryptoPunks. As you can see, CryptoPunks average selling price in July 2017, it was literally a few dollars, and as you can see, in the past few months, it went from a few dollars to literally $100,000, even $300,000. So just go to Twitter, check out the hashtag NFT or CryptoPunks and see for yourself. People are literally selling these for hundreds of thousands of dollars daily. So this is something super hot right now and something that you can get in on right now. So let me tell you how to create and sell your first NFT and also how to do NFT flipping. But first of all, let me actually tell you what is an NFT if you don't know. So NFT stands for non-fungible token, and what it means in a nutshell is that you're getting a digital certificate of authenticity. So imagine in real life you would buy a painting, you would buy antiques, you would buy all of these different things that you pay for, and they increase in price because they have historical value, etc. It's the same exact with NFTs, but NFTs are on a blockchain. So it is art but digital, and obviously it uses blockchain, it uses Ethereum to store it. As you can see, this neon cat, you probably saw these, was turned into an NFT and sold for $600,000. This is absolutely crazy, guys. Even 12-year-old kids are creating these NFTs and making bank. So what is important is that anything can be an NFT. It can be a GIF, it can be a video, it can be a JPEG, it can be an MP3, whatever digital asset you have can be turned into an NFT. And can you create NFTs? Yes, I'll show you exactly what to do and how to do it in this video, and also how to flip NFTs. If you want to know how to make money with NFTs, this is the exact process. Okay, so first of all, you will need an Ethereum wallet. I'm using MetaMask. Okay, so just go to metamask.io and download this wallet. This is a Firefox extension. Okay, so it's not like a normal cryptocurrency wallet. You actually have to install it on your Firefox, and as you can see right here in the top right corner, this is my MetaMask wallet. So this is how it works, and what you will need is just a few dollars in Ethereum, because the NFT market works on top of the Ethereum cryptocurrency. Okay, so first of all, you're gonna have to set up your Ethereum wallet. It can be a MetaMask, it can be Coinbase. By the way, link to Coinbase in the description. And once you're gonna set it up, all you have to do is just purchase a small amount of Ethereum. It can be $10, $100, whatever you want to add to it, and then you have to connect your wallet to an NFT marketplace. Now there are many different marketplaces, and I'm going to show you the best ones right now. Okay, so number one, we have Zoro.co. So check all of these NFTs. This one sells for 1 Ethereum, 1 Ethereum, 1 Ethereum, 2 Ethereum. We have 0.8, we have 0.25, we have 3 Ethereum. So these NFTs are not cheap. 6 Ethereum right here. So as you can see, this is not for someone that only has a few dollars. Now you can actually buy these and flip these, or you can just create them yourself and just keep all the profit for yourself. So Zora.co is one of these websites. We have Rarible.com. This is one of the biggest ones. As you can see, again, we have all of these NFTs, $82,000, that top sellers in one day, $29,000, $29,000, $22,000, $21,000, $16,000. The cheapest one was for $6,000. So this is Rarible.com. We also have SuperRare.com. Again, collect digital art, as you can see, NFTs and more. We have Nifty Giveaway. Again, they have live auctions, they have the marketplace, and the one that I like the most is OpenSea.io. So here it is actually very easy to create your own NFT. So first of all, you will have to connect your MetaMask wallet. So just click on wallet right here, add MetaMask, or by the way, you can add any other one, and then you will connect it. That's super easy. This is the first thing you have to do. And then you have to decide if you want to start flipping NFTs or if you want to create your own. Now, if you want to start flipping NFTs, just make sure to do your research first. Okay, so obviously you won't be flipping something that is already super expensive. Try to find projects that are less than 1 Ethereum, possibly, you know, 50 maybe to $100. You have tons of different NFTs right here, so just try to look up the artist, maybe the prices that the artist sold in the past. So this way you're gonna see the potential. As you can see, you can buy NFTs for as low as 0.04 Ethereum, so not all of them are super expensive. And the cool thing about flipping NFTs is that you can easily double your money, triple your money. You can even 10x the amount of your investment really quickly. So that's what you have to do if you want to flip NFTs. Now, if you want to create your own, first of all, you're gonna have to actually create your NFT. So how to do it? First of all, you're gonna have to make a digital art file for your NFT. So again, this can be any image, any TXT file, JPEG, PNG, MP3, GIF. It can even be a meme. It can be whatever you want. So check this out. Someone took a picture of a banana with this tape right here, and it's sold for $120,000. So it can be as simple as that. So what this guy did, the comedian Maurizio Castellan, is he took the picture and then he went to cupwing.com and he used the studio editor. Okay, so this whole article I'm showing you is actually from cupwing.com, and he just turned it into an NFT. I'm not going to be creating any NFTs right now, but this is the whole editor. It's very similar to Photoshop, and that's all you have to do. So take a picture or create a simple JPEG, turn it into an NFT, and you are ready to go. You go back to OpenSea.io, or you can use any other of the marketplaces that I showed you, and you click on create. And as you can see, you can create a new item. Again, image, video, audio, 3D model. They have JPEG, PNG, GIF, MP4, MP3, WAV, GLB. I don't even know what it is, but all you have to do is just drag and drop your file right here, add the name, add the external link, description, and then we have collection. So you have the properties, levels, stats, unlockable content, etc. Blockchain, obviously you're gonna use Ethereum, and you have the number of copies that can be minted. So these are the amount of copies that you can sell. Now you can pick 1, you can pick 10, you can pick 100, totally up to you. And then you just click on create. NFT will be added to the marketplace. Now what you do from this point on, you just wait. If it's a cool NFT, you shouldn't have any problems with selling it. Now there is also a way you can actually generate some traffic to your NFT marketplace listing. And if you want to see exactly how to do it, click on the first link in the description. It will take you to this Latitude course. Okay, so this is a course released by my buddy Jono Armstrong, and he actually shows you how to make $2,743 passively every week with NFTs. Okay, so you can check out this whole sales page. Jono Armstrong is the guy behind it, and he actually gave me $10,000 worth of bonuses you're gonna get if you will decide to pick up Latitude using my link. Again, the first link in the description. Let me show you the inside of the members area. Okay, so this is how it looks like. We have the welcome video, and then you have the whole process I shared with you in this video, but step by step and over the shoulder. Hey, so we have the start here video, we have the welcome, the MetaMask account setup, we have how to access your OpenSea and MetaMask accounts, OpenSea profile customization, how to create a collection, adding an item, how to add Ethereum to your MetaMask, how to list an item for sale, traffic source, Discord. Now this is how you will generate traffic, eyeballs to your profile or to your listing on OpenSea. And the second traffic source is Twitter. So Jono will actually show you exactly how to get eyeballs, how to get traffic, so you can actually go out there, do some promotions, and get people to see your NFT and obviously buy it. So this is the inside of the members area. Now let me show you the bonus I have in store for you. Okay, so again, this is being released by Jono Armstrong, and he actually gave me 3 of his recent courses you're gonna get for free from me. Okay, so you're gonna get this lazy traffic sniper course, you're gonna get a Vanquish, and you're gonna get Insurgency. So as you can see, these are $13 each, and also you're gonna get a ton of additional bonuses from me. So you're gonna get 3 ways to get free traffic on demand, a perfect course course for Latitude that will show you how to get more eyeballs to your NFT marketplace. We have recurring income secrets. We have a bunch of different courses. So again, $10,000 worth of bonuses, including my mega bonus. So guys, if you want to see how to make money with NFTs, I hope I already opened your eyes and showed you the broad idea. If you want to see exactly how to do everything step by step, click on the first link in the description, get the Latitude course. It is actually live right now. You will get my $10,000 bonus with it. If you have any questions, leave me a comment. Before you go, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, click on the bell, and leave me a comment again if you have any questions, or maybe if you just want to say hi, and I will see you shortly in the next video. Ciao.